Samples testing positive for COVID-19 are on the rise. Of the 4,275 people who were tested in the last 24 hours, 637 of them were found to have the zoonotic virus. This pushing the number of confirmed cases in Kenya to 14,805. The surge in cases reported daily has left officials at the ministry worried.
Let us ensure that our people understand the problem at hand and the need to observe these containment measures.
Even though the government is angling for home-based care, which could take care of close to 90% of Kenyan cases, the government is concerned that the 10% that may require hospitalization could mean many patients if numbers continue soaring. And that could mean an overstretched healthcare system. It is a scenario the president and officials at the Ministry of Health wants to avoid. But the government is cognizant that numbers could hit the peak and hence the need for preparation. President Kenyatta wants to assess the country's preparedness at the national and county levels to handle high numbers. He had scheduled a meeting with county governments on Friday to also assess the effectiveness of containment measures in place, besides putting the country's arsenal against COVID-19 on a microscope. But that meeting has been pushed to Monday next week on the request of county bosses. Even though Nairobi remains to be the country's epicenter for the virus, the contagion seems to be permeating into the neighboring counties at an alarming rate. On Wednesday, Nairobi had 342 cases, followed by the neighboring county of Machakos with 85. Kajiado had 57, while Kiambu registered 51 cases.
We are appealing to residents of these counties to strictly adhere to the containment measures for the spread of the virus to be under check.
Indeed, a sharp focus has been cast on counties, with governors staging another meeting on Wednesday to assess just how they are faring in terms of arming their regions against a fast-spreading disease. According to governors, they are working hard to ensure they are ready for the rising numbers, but they are facing challenges. They say Treasury is yet to release disbursements for the month of June, and that is affecting their plans against COVID-19.
Despite the end of the financial year 2019-2020, county governments are yet to receive due disbursements. Further delay will not only affect payment of staff salaries, but also negatively hinder timely response of COVID-19.
But another challenge is what they are terming as non-adherence to COVID-19 containment measures by the political class. They talk about politicians holding physical meetings which could be fueling the spread of the virus. They say in such meetings, caution has been thrown to the wind. They want that stopped. But perhaps they should start with their boss, the man who read the statement to the press. Wycliffe Ambeta Oparanya, the chairman of the Council of Governors, has played a lead role in the recent political meetings in Western Kenya. The governors maintain that border points like Malaba, Busia, Namanga remain a challenge. They say human and truck traffic is fueling the viral spread in counties bordering neighboring states. They want provision of bypasses to ease traffic at the border towns, besides sensitizing locals. Enock Sikolia, Citizen TV.